My next question, I wanted to ask, how does Oxford Brookes support students with disabilities?
Yeah, very important question. We have, I'm actually going to find a quick document that I have on this.
It takes you.
Yeah, now, as for all of our students that join Oxford Brookes, they have student support and well-being. So this includes, first of all, having a one-to-one tutorials. So these help you with your English, with English for employability, online resources, lunchtime workshops. We have here inclusive support. So this is specifically related to your question that you've just asked me. So these services include disability services, dyslexia support, and specialist mentoring. So all of our students, if you apply and you have any of these needs, then our inclusive support will be given to you from your very first day. We'll get in contact with you in advance of you starting your course, and they will give you all of the information you need, all of the support, and they'll come and welcome you on your first day, so you feel very welcome. And you know you've got that support. Also, we have counselling available, so self-help, individual tailored support. We have mentoring, the career service that I've mentioned, and we also have a multi-faith chapel as well. So lots and lots of different support and to help you feel comfortable for your during your time at Oxford Brookes.